gave me a power to think and imagine. But why did you give me a power to choose? Many times I choose to think evil. Many times I choose to imagine darkness. Lord, why do I often play with thoughts of pleasure, thoughts of against many others, thoughts of anger against my enemies and elders, and thoughts of jealousy, envy, and lust words. Lord, why do I imagine destroying my old friends? Imagine putting down my teachers and parents. Imagine crashing my dog into the ground and killing myself to put my power to end. Lord, you gave me a power to talk and speak, but why is my power to choose so weak? Every day, dirty words came out from me. I can't help it, but I shout constantly. Lord, I know it is a sin. But I easily lie. Drunk, but also your name in vain I sigh. Please get back my power to speak. I can't control my words. My soul is sick. All impure thoughts, hellish words. What will I get? All show in my ways. When I eat and walk, I bet. Shouting words, disheveled looks, scattered books, lost good thoughts, rubbish mind, garbage looks, clean thoughts, clean speech, clean word, but I succeed. Immoral, irresponsible, inhuman, will I ever be? Lord, I